everybody, today I'm going to be showing you 6 swatches of the cat's eye gel polish range from Flirties, and I'm going to be showing you how to create the cat's eye effect for each one. So with your order you will receive one of these magnets, and that is how we actually create the cat's eye effect. So I'm going to start off with this colour, which is number 006. And I'm going to be painting this on top of a black gel polish base. So I have cured my black in my lamp, and I'm going ahead and putting one layer of the cat's eye gel polish over this. Now I'm not going to cure this, I'm going to create the cat's eye effect with the magnet now before it's cured. So you need to hold this about 2mm away from the actual gel polish, and you can hold it in whichever direction you want the cat's eye effect to be, and you hold it for about 6 seconds and this is the effect. So you then cure that, and I will show you how it comes out at the end, and I'm just going to go ahead and swatch the rest of the colours here for you.
Make it last forever. Stop in time. Yeah, I'm surrendering. Hold tight. Chemicals collide. Hold tight. Dripping lights paint the skies, all because of you. Dripping lights paint the skies, only you can make me move. You can make me move. Can make me move. Can make me move. You can make me move. Can make me.
Okay, so the technique for the cat's eye effect is to prep the nails as normal, add your base coat, put one layer of a gel polish colour on and cure that, and then put one layer of your cat's eye gel polish on, and whilst it is wet you pop your magnet on top, create your effect, and then once that effect has taken place and you have your cat's eye, you then cure it, and then it is ready for your top coat. So I'm using Flirties non-wipe top coat over these, and to use a non-wipe top coat does work best for the cat's eye. So my finished looks are here. I'm going to show you the ones that I've done. You can put the magnet on diagonally, straight, whichever way you want. You can work with these and create whichever design you like. So these are my finished designs. As you can see, they're very pretty and very eye-catching. And here are the designs I did whilst putting the magnet down straight down the nail.
All because of you.